Good afternoon guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes. Today we'll be showing you around this Yamaha XSR900. It's a 2016 model, sat on a 16 plate with just 3,970 miles. Lovely thing, comes with little bits on there, like you get the fly screen, get the bar end mirrors. Also comes with an SC Project exhaust system, which makes it sound wonderful. Other little bits, R&G tail tidy. You get the side mounted travel bag, which really completes the look of it. You get the power modes, you get the traction control and the ABS. Also will come with the quad lock mount and the Oxford heated grips. Really nice thing, really popular bike. Can't see it hanging around long. If you are interested, just give us a call. Thank you.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.